I am playing Slime RNG. I've been playing for a while, but not too much. And all of a sudden, I got a shiny icy. What is y'all guys' luck? Yo, we actually doing some stuff today. A unicorn all of a sudden. That is so good. Oh, some grapes. Damn. Oh my gosh. And today I only put the shiny icy and the unicorn. Feels so good. I got a normal icy again. There's nothing I put it. I just got what's its name? A stump. Wow. Doesn't even make my oh crap. Oh no, I got a watermelon. That's a good thing. This thing is already that good. I got a normal one. Okay. What's still here? Is my friend still in it? Yeah, I'm not sure where he is. Oh, it was an Angelus that I needed. I didn't even find the red one. What kind of eating this? I'm already making more money than my friend Tom. Cause like, Moon has 126 and it was 800. Look. I swear my friend Coconut is so good at this. I got a big axolotl again. Dang. What's that for? Okay. Yeah, never mind. I'm quitting the game. I got it ready, actually. Wow. It's the third best. Either way. No way. I'm just getting this stuff. Unbelievable. I have 6 apples. Okay, I need 5 inverteds, which I'm never actually gonna get. An inverted axolotl is fun. Okay, tell me if you guys have better than stuff. I need the feast. I can get 153 million. What does bro have? No cap. Oh, he has actually good stuff. Dang, I finally got a lucky after. Oh, I only have 6. Lucky, haven't never. Oh, something wrong with my luck today. Like, I'm using the cherries for you. I just see Brusky. And this is because he's level 3. I like the orbit. I didn't even notice. My friend should have been in the canyon.
I'd like to dedicate this song to Marinette, the girl who's not here.
What is- Yeah, no. $33 million? Dang, damn, my home problem. Yeah, no, we were think 3 more times was worth it. 32,000. Okay, going 5. Wow, I'm getting lucky. I don't know. If I get something good, this game is rigged. Yeah, you see, it is rigged. But the second I take that back, it's rigged. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. How much is that? At least I got it in. Yeah, the Benny's winning. Did it again? That was not worth it. Of course, my sister farted. Give me one good thing and I'll crash out. I already got the big icing being inverted. Why does the banana have to fly? 5. Who is bro? This kid doesn't even have a million. I'm surprised he. Well, yeah, I only have 45,000 at first. Then my luck changed. My first big thing was a big action. Then this big mushy. Then the king. Then of course this shiny icy, the uni, and the inverted. I like the orbit. I'm here to transfer some stuff. Huh? Dang, boys! What's wrong? Use this one. Okay. Oh, this is tough for some reason.
Now you must tell the truth to anyone who asks you a question.
I swear, if Versi got something actually good.
Ladybug, finally
Oh, a thorn?
its true identity.
Oh, yeah.
Ladybug's secret identity.
What are you doing on my ship, pirate?
It's time to tell me the truth, Mom. Who is my father?
Your father is Jagged Stone.
I want the truth. Who is really my father?
Jagged Stone.
Sorry, Shadow Moth, but that truth can't be put on hold.
Clever Claw's secret IQ. Huh?
Okay, there we go. I already passed my friend.
So, I am not your buddy. I'm here to find out if I'm your son. Tell me who you are.
Hey, I want to play too. Truth or dare?
Truth and dare. Light up. Freeze Ladybug and Cat Noir.
If I get something good, this means I'm an orphan. Yeah, no, if y'all guys saw me get the unicorn and actually y'all guys are orgy and everything.
Sorry, son. I spent my life on tour. I live in hotels with a crocodile. Could never be the father you need me to be.
Okay, yo, how the heck?
Super cool song. Ever heard my guitars, my family? Sorry, Shadow Moth. I still have one last truth to uncover. How can I be sure that
For this?
it's the last one? Because I always tell the truth. My son is out of sight.
You stay out of sight while we teach you to test it.
So, I am watching this one. So, nicey. Whoa.
Does she keep a diary?
She has it in her room.
Perfect. Now just hold all her secrets.
I have 26 of the normals.
Stay where you are. I'll be there soon.
Your idea was spots on.
I was 0 with the goopies. Big, the huge. I can still get a huge. It's,
You know your magical force is too powerful without a key to control it. But with implied sunk Atlantis.
So we have a choice between the end of the world and the end of the world.
Riley, come back now.
That's it. Hypnotized object. Lady, whenever you're ready, you can call for your lucky charm.
whoa, 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 whoa. Actually, no cap, no cap. Stop, stop, stop. 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 What a jackpot. I actually, if y'all guys saw that, another million. That's so, I, I'm gonna see what it is. Oh my gosh. Look at my Big Frankie. Big Frankie and Candace. This to be better? Oh. It's a hard. Dang. Yeah, the big ice is worse. The big ice is so... Look at it is. Se va a checar quién es.
No.
Tú.
No. Porque tú estás jugando a la cena con esto vamos a lo mismo.
Tocando la puerta.
Vi que dejó sus cosas en la sala. Se habría llevado todo si fuera en serio, ¿viste? Pero no fue así. Yo te ayudaré en lo que más pueda. Yuri y yo podemos cubrirlo un par de días si es necesario.
I can get to the moon today. Actually, that good. Oh my gosh, what's... It's only on level 1 this entire... Okay. Oh, I got a shiny orchid. Yo. That's actually cool. I have 150. What? I have 10 with me. I'm gonna have so much. Wait, if you had Rocky right now, right? Wait a minute. I wanna try. Oh yeah. You just finished it. I have 9 different cards. I like the way they look. I haven't gotten my first billion this entire game. Okay, I have. Been to the moon. I want the lucky. It used to be Abby. Whoa, 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 whoa. I just got another 1 in 1 million. Oh, so this would be a mushy team? Yeah, no, I'm going back to the game. I swear, I just got this team. I already have another million. Today is not my day. I like the way you... I got a new thing. Oh, wicked. Would that do anything? Oh, okay, how do I get the throw first in the game? My best thing, technically, if you think about it, is my my unicorn. 4 plus 1,000. Gosh, that'd be useful. So useful. I just got. Oh, this is lilies. Imagine getting an AX look. I swear I saw so many luckies. I got another lily. What am I supposed to even use the lily for? Like, I'm here over farming. I'm already in my first build. Dad. I have so many good things I don't even use, like all my divines. I only use that this tomorrow. Well, should I get all these ones? And my first chance and my actual chance ended. I gave my unity. But that's my second. Honey carrot. I swear I want to go back to the mill. Because, like, I get more offline stuff. And, like, in 22 minutes, already here. Whoa! I got a guess. It looks sick. I'm gonna feed that to my stuff. Oh, no wonder.
Oh, really? And I was sure I wrote down the correct hour this time.
I'm sorry, but you can't.
Stay at school without adult supervision? No problem, Mr. Hepro. We'll come back for the class for an hour.
Looking up to this time. Arts and crafts room? What are you planning to do here?
I've never told this to anyone, but I love to draw.
Okay, why am I not getting that many like these? But I'm.
Drawings never lie. The poses that people make are always a reflection of their personality, but I really won't let me do it.
You're super talented.
You really think so? Pose for me. I want to sketch you.
Walking close.
However makes you comfortable. I really admire Timothy's Lautrec. I'd like to draw you like the characters he painted. Did you know he often signed his paintings on monograph like many Japanese artists did?
Whoa. Oh, what?
It's not you. Try a different place. It should be easy to do a beautiful sketch of you because you're so handsome. But what
I'm waiting for my first ever video.
Still not good. Change again. These are all modeling poses. Try something that's more natural, more you.
What now? Yeah. I mean, now.
No, you're not at all.
And I get a spike.
Yes, I am. I
I casually just clicked the button. Please give me something better than 100. Better won't even help. I'm gonna start placing. I used to be on the red phone.
Now it's really time for our fencing class.
I need some potions actually. I can't even zoom in at that point. People be thinking that I can get 32k goop when I literally have to do 32k. And 36 to 66. That's not even so good. But that makes it so good. This look, we go far. Well, all of a sudden did it go fast? Everything but my good things are leveled up. This is where I like transferring stuff. Like I only need 1 more billion to like. Actually, I'm just happy. Okay, I'm gonna okay. Imagine getting something good the second I step on this. Oh, why did it feel like a low gravity? It just landed on me.
Forgot something in my classroom. Call you later.
Let's go.
I got it all on video, dude. You guys were awesome. I messed up the intro. You can go over it again if you want, Adrian.
3 minutes?
Adrian, it's time.
5. I can get orbits without the helix look like no game. I am the. I'm like, oh my gosh. This is my first huge. The way I barely have gotten damage, the only thing was my unit. And why? Just. I like the way that my stuff actually gets. Oh my gosh, I gotta hear you.
Plenty of time together when we go to Prince Ali's birthday.
Together, just the two of us.
I mean, like.
I have a feeling we're a lot away.
Ah!
Do you also?
Sorry,
I casually get another 8 luck.
Excuse me? Adrian, let's go now.
I forgot something on the bar.
Are you having a nap on it?
Tatsu, take me to the city hall.
I hope we can still celebrate Ali's birthday. Dance parties always have the best cheese.
Oh, I just noticed. Let's go. Yo, took me that long. Oh, it was a gag.
Now you must tell the truth to anyone who asks you a question. I'll do the honor.
Now I have to like give some billions. Cause like, what would that get me? I don't think that's worth it.
Dear Prince Ali, on behalf of the city of Paris, we all wish you a very happy birthday.
Didn't I arrange with Gabriel Legrest that his son would accompany you here?
Oh, he's here, Mother. A journalist.
2 million, 3 million, 5 million. Oh, I can just combine all of those. And they're still not better. Okay, I like. Ooh. A bus, a Stormy. A bus and a Stormy are good.
Supervillain with 3 eyes and a giant monster buddy is your idea of fun? I can't imagine what your other days are like.
That he is Sentinel Monster and Shadowbot? It's even more exciting with his new name, don't you think?
He can change his name as often as he likes.
Ice Rock, because like this guy has a full outfit.
Well, you don't have to overdo it.
Truth is, I don't ever have this much fun with you. Catch you later.
I didn't know. It was like down like 50. It felt like the. I don't even know if it's gonna be for zombie. 16,000 on Beacon. No.
You found what you were looking for. Back at the barge.
Well, peace. Making another video.